Today I'm going to show you how to make this super fast and fairly easy flower. It's a quick turnaround project and it makes a fun filigree if you wanted to just add it to other projects, say like a cardigan or a hat or maybe to a blanket. You're going to just need any yarn that you have laying around and an associated hook size. I think these would make big, fun, chunky flowers, but I've so far have only done little dainty flowers with a pretty thin weight of yarn. I'm going to go through the pattern pretty quickly, so if you have the fundamentals of crochet down, you won't struggle with this at all. If you are a beginner, you may want to look up what a slip stitch, a triple crochet, and a double crochet is before you go into this pattern, because otherwise we're going to move pretty fast and make this a very fun and fast project. Thank you for joining me, and as always, if you enjoy this pattern and would like to see more free patterns, please like and subscribe. To get started, using your yarn and the correct hook for the yarn size that you have, we're going to make a magic circle. And in this magic circle, we are going to have 10 stitches. So after you crochet onto the magic circle, you're going to now add 10 single crochet around the magic circle. And you're going to tighten it like normal. It's not going to fully close, but that's okay. It adds to the whimsy of the flower. We will only work around this magic circle once, so each step correlates to the stitch you're working on. So for step 1, all of the stitches that will be put into step 1 will all go into stitch 1. And I'll show you what I mean. We're going to start step 1, and we're going to be working only within this first stitch. And in step 1, we are going to start with a double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook and do a double crochet into stitch number 1. The next part of step 1 is going to be a triple crochet. So we are going to start the process of a triple crochet, and it's going to go right back into stitch number 1. And then we will chain 1. So on top of our triple crochet that's still within stitch 1, we will make a singular chain. And that finishes step 1. Stitch only. We are now going to add a triple crochet, followed by a double crochet still within the second stitch, followed by a slip stitch also into that second stitch, which it's getting crowded, but you can see is right there. So we're going to now slip stitch into that original second stitch. And that completes steps 1 and 2. There are 10 stitches fully around this magic circle, so we are just going to repeat this 2-stitch sequence all the way around. So we're going to do a double crochet into stitch 3, so there's my double crochet. Here is my triple crochet, and here is my chain. Moving on to stitch 4 and step 4, we are going to repeat the triple crochet, followed by a double crochet, followed by a slip stitch, And that finishes step 4 and your second petal. We are going to repeat that once again, starting in stitch 5, double crochet, triple crochet, chain, moving into stitch 6, triple crochet, double crochet, slip stitch, and there's our third petal. Double crochet, triple crochet, chain, triple crochet, double crochet, slip stitch, completes our 4th petal, and we're gonna repeat the sequence one more time. So working into our 9th and 10th stitches, these are our 2 final stitches and 2 final steps. Double crochet into stitch 9, triple crochet into stitch 9, chain, triple crochet into stitch 10, which is a little tricky to see, double crochet into stitch 10, and slip stitch. Now I pause here before I pull the slip stitch through. Cut your yarn, and then when you pull your slip stitch through, that will complete the flower. And you just tighten it down. Grab your embroidery needle, and send it through to the back. Send it through to the back. And there you have a pretty fast, fairly easy flower that then you can add to any project. I have made keychains out of these, but I think it'd be really fun to make a baby blanket and just have it studded with a bunch of little colorful flowers. You can tie your tails together until you decide what to do. Otherwise, you could leave them long, so you could weave them into whatever project you want to add these to. This is pretty fast and pretty easy for a crochet project, so I hope you enjoy making these as much as I did. I hope the pattern is fairly easy to follow along with. If it wasn't, please leave me a comment and just let me know what I could have done to make it clearer, and perhaps I will refilm in the future. I really want these tutorials to be as easy as possible to follow along with, and I would love to see your created projects. I have started a community area where you guys can post, and I would love to see your version of this pattern. Again, if you like this tutorial and you would like more free crochet tutorials, please like and subscribe so that I can keep making content just like this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that your crochet goes nice and smooth.